Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use len function in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see the len function is used to count the number of characters in a text string including the spaces, numbers and special characters. So let's start. So here my text is hello and here I'm going to use the len function. Simply select the cell, use the is equal to, enter the len and select the text and press the enter. The 5 characters is count from this text. The hello 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 character in this text. If I add here the some text, so I just add here the hello ma'am. So 9 character will be count here. Hello is a 5 and ma'am is a 3 character and space is a also consider here to count the character. Here you can see the including the spaces. Okay. Suppose I enter here the hello ma'am 1, 2, 3. Then you can see the 12 character here count. So numbers also consider. Suppose I add here the double quote. Okay. Then you can check here the double quote also consider. It means the special characters also consider. Okay. So if you have here the some extra spaces, suppose I add here some extra space and you can check here the len value, the extra space also here consider. Okay, so when you use this to len function and if you want to trim this space, then you can use here the trim function also. Simply double click on it and add here the trim function. So I just add here the trim and bracket closed and enter. That's it. Now you can see the only characters and numbers and special characters count, not extra space here count. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.